Yeah, y'all know that I usually do. If I have to add liquids myself, I'll add a liquid myself, but alright, y'all. Oh, thank you, beautiful. I try to be. I know not everybody understands what we do and all that, because when I first started, I didn't really understand it either. So I find it okay for people to ask questions and for it to be explained, as long as it's done in a nice manner and it's not, they're not being completely rude about it, you know? Like, it's okay to ask questions, just don't be a dick, kind of thing. That's my whole deal. Hi, Cindy. I will probably save most of it, but I probably won't save 100% of it. Just because it's so much. Alright, y'all, before I get off, would anyone like to add liquids to this? If not, I'm gonna have to get off here soon because I gotta go get kids, and baby girl sounds like she's starting to get hungry. So this is the last call for add-ins. Queen Bella, this is 50 pounds of baking soda. There's pinesol, pine glow, a couple fabs, a giant bag of Roma, and some dish soaps. Oh, honey, trust me, I don't see me running out of product anytime soon. I've got so many bottles that I've saved that I still haven't used that I don't have room for a crap ton more cleaning products or saves. So y'all keep your eye out because we'll probably be doing a dump soon on live. yes, you can do your laundry with this. Because it's got baking soda and Roma laundry powder in it. So it'll definitely do your laundry. Since there's no cans in it. It was cold at first, but the Roma warmed it up. So it's not too cold anymore. It's actually pretty nice. I try to save as much as I can, so I'll probably use it in my laundry for a little bit, and then I'll clean my bathtub and like my toilets and stuff with it, and then I'll probably dump the rest because I won't be able to use all of it within the time before it starts to smell and funny, or it gets hard because of the baking soda. Alright, y'all. Last call for add-ins. I'm going to have to get off here soon because I've got to get ready to get kids from school. And I've got to feed baby girl before we go. So if anyone would like to add any liquids or any more powders or anything, let me know. My stash is pinned on my page, so y'all can go look at that and then ask for prices for whatever it is that you're looking at or you're wanting to add. Y'all that are regular here, you know that I drop my prices a lot when we do overloads like this. That's why I won't put the prices on my product post, because when you come into live they might not be that price. So, oh, thank you for the gifts, love. But yes, if anyone would like to send for liquids, now would be the time. I don't think there is any way that my sponges are going to squeeze in this, but we can try a couple more squeezes. Yeah, it's too powdery. It's not going to work. So yeah, last call for any add-ins, guys. If no one else wants to add, I'm going to save some of it on live. And then I'll have to get a tote to save the rest later. Y'all don't mind my feet. I'm trying to sit comfortably. My next dump, probably, if I do another dump, it'll be in the bathtub this time. I might try to do one sometime later this week, but I'm not positive yet. If you guys want to know when I'm going to go live, make sure you keep an eye on my stories. I try to post the day before to give y'all a time and let you know. And then I'll post on my story about an hour or two before I go live to give y'all a heads up that I'm getting on. So make sure you keep an eye out on my stories if you want to see my lives. I also usually share them to my story, that way y'all know that I'm on live. So you really just gotta pay attention to those to know when. Unless I put a specific date and time on it while I'm in a live, I don't really know. Especially with having a newborn, it's a little hard to say right now. So alright, y'all. So since no one wants to add, I'm gonna get a couple buckets to save some of this in. And then I'm gonna save the rest off live later in a tote. We're not gonna do a rinse because I've gotta take a shower before I go get the kids. But I'll probably post the rinse. When I do the rinse later, I'll probably post it on my story. Or on my page, so just keep an eye out for that. Y'all, this texture is everything. Okay. I've got to get out of it. Alright, y'all. We are going to save some of this. Y'all, can y'all even see how purple this is? Like, it's so pretty. I think it just looks white to y'all, but it is so purple. It is beautiful. Thank you, Shasha. I probably am, love. We're not gonna do a rinse on live today. But I will, when I do it, I'll include it in my live recap. So when I repost this live, it'll have a rinse to it for you guys.